Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create the Sulus Arabic brush in Procreate, which is quite easy and normally it is used in writing the calligraphy in Arabic. This is the sample in which I have written Al-Rahman in Sulus script. So the Procreate I am using is 5.3.1, and then now going to the topic, click on the right top plus sign where you will have different canvas sizes, and we will select the square size of the canvas and setting it up, filling it with the black background. It's your choice. Now selecting the option in which you have to select the rectangular selection, create the vertical rectangular shape, filling it up with the white color. This is the starting of brush shape. So swiping 3 fingers down, you will have different options, and from there you copy the shape, and then going to the brush library, plus sign, and then shape of the brush, selecting this option, going in the edit, import, and then paste that particular shape which you have already copied. Now just making some settings. Spacing should be 0. Stabilization should be 30 to 40%. I am setting it on 36%. Now make sure that the taper properties should be unchecked. Then going for the angle of the brush, it should be 25 to 30 degree, and I am setting it on 26 degree. So this is the shape of your brush. So you see that it's quite simple to create that brush. Tilting of the pencil in Apple Pencil option, it should be none, 0 degree, so that if you are tilting your pencil, it doesn't affect your letter. And let's check this out, how it's working. And this is our newly created Sulus brush in which you can write Arabic calligraphy. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the textured Sulus brush which we will create in the next video. Thank you.